Today we're doing a quick full body 3 exercise workout. It's going to be working your posterior chain, as in your butt and hamstrings, triceps, so upper body work but tris, and your core. I'll put the slide up next so you can see the 3 exercises. It's going to be a good morning, tricep dips, and plank pull-throughs. You're going to do it with me and let me know how it goes. So the first exercise in today's full body circuit is the good morning. So you're going to hold the dumbbell super close to you, and this is essentially a deadlift, but the weight is in a different place. The goal is to push your butt back when bending over and not think about the knees. The knees are soft. So we're doing 15. I'm pushing into my heels. When I stand up, see how my butt is? Reaching back behind me, but my back is very flat. Two more. All right, and then from here, we're going to go to upper body, which is the body weight dips. So for this one, I want my elbows to go straight back, chest up, and there's 2 versions. I'm going to do the more modified, which is bent knees. We're doing 10. You don't want to let your chest sink. Look straight ahead. So, and then the last thing on this 3 exercise circuit is our plank drags. So in this, I want to make sure my hips don't shift. So I'll start with the dumbbell on one side. I'm going to get my plank position. I'm going to make ugly butt, tucking my butt under. We're doing 16. That's round 1. 2 more to go. Round 2. I'll go front facing step, so keep that dumbbell super close upper chest. 15 reps. 2. Again, I'll let you see me from the side. See how my butt is reaching back behind me? And 15. Okay, let's set that down. We're going to go to upper body. So to make it more advanced, you would just stick your legs out more, but the back stays pretty close to the bench. Here we go. Chest up. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! It's always a tri burner. All right, we're going to go to the plank pull-throughs. Side. Try to keep your butt tucked under. You can have a wide stance. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Short and sweet. Round 2, done. Here we go, last round. Okay, dumbbell close. And it'll go this way so you can see. Remember, butt reaches behind you, soft knees only when you start bending. 2, 3, 4. So, one good way to see how good your form is to actually video yourself. Then you can see whether what you think it feels like and what you're doing matches. 12, 13, 14. Last one. 15. One quick tip. When you're at the top of the good morning, instead of thinking of lean back, think scooping the pelvis forward. That lines everything up. That's the top of that position. Just a quick tip. All right, we're gonna do our last set of dips. That's all about the tries. And now it's our last set of the plank pull-throughs. This time I'll go this way so you can see the angle. All right, this is 100% core. When you're in this, it's about keeping this stable and tight. Wrists right under the shoulders, wide stance, tuck, scoop the pelvis forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. That's for a quick 3 exercise, full body workout. Give yourself a hand. If you liked this workout, if you want to try any of the other ones with me, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down here. See you next time.